In this video, you'll learn how to change auto-empty trash intervals in WordPress through cPanel. In WordPress, when you delete a post, page, or any other type of content, it doesn't get immediately removed from the database. Instead, it's moved to the trash, where it remains for a 30-day period of time before being permanently deleted. So you'll learn how to change this time period through cPanel in this video. To achieve this functionality, simply log into your cPanel account, click on File Manager here, and click on Public HTML. Now search for the wp-config file, right-click on it, and select Edit from the menu that appears. Now again, click on the Edit button, and we need to add the code just before this line that says Stop Editing. Let me enter the code here. I'll mention the code in the description below, and you can copy it from there. Replace 1 with the number of days you want to set as auto trash time. After adding the code, click the Save Changes button to save the modified wp-config.php file, and that's how easy it is to change auto-empty trash intervals in WordPress through cPanel. In case you're looking for more videos related to WordPress, then I'm linking a few of them in the description. You can click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.